In this video, I'm going to share a cool way to record videos and edit them so that you could put them into products like Video Ask, which I showcased on the channel last week, or simply make videos like your 10 trust videos that may go on a YouTube channel. And that's using one of my favorite finds in 2021. That's mmhmm. I had a video earlier where I introduced the overall interface of mmhmm. So check that one out on the video here. I use mmhmm to record, but also do some light editing of these videos. So let me dive in and show you what I mean. Down on the bottom, you have 3 tabs here: edit, playback, and publish. Down below that, you have your scenes. So I have a scene 3. I'm kind of out of order, but you could change these around what scenes they are here. You could also add scenes by clicking on new scene here. So if I want to pop that one into a new scene, now I have scene, I can make this scene 2, make this scene 3, and just move them around, combine them. So you could set them up any way you want. What I recommend is you set up your scenes. In your scenes, I have, in this case, I start with me talking. So here on the channel, I'm actually recording this YouTube video inside of mmhmm. I have a logo back here is a back screen. That's one of the rooms that I set up. And I also have a logo of my partner, if I get my fingers right, up above me. I could change that out by simply saying new slide and say new media. So if I'm going to do, for example, a Home Partners of America's presentation, I can change that out for Home Partners. And if I want Landis, I can right mouse and delete that slide. So it'll say, do you want to delete it? So now I have a Home Partner slide here. So maybe I'm doing a video explaining Home Partners to my clients. You could also have fun with the new slide of doing GIFs or Giphies. So over in here, I have a fireworks display. So as I'm doing my recording, and the record button is this red button here, I simply can go from scene to scene as I'm talking. What's also neat about this is down below on new slides, you can import presentations. You could show the camera. You could do presentation only, or you could throw text up on the screen by throwing some text. Hi there, right? If you wanted to put a point, into your presentation. So all of that is available in the mmhmm editing tool. So go ahead and set up your scenes and you'll be good to go. As you're doing presentations, you do click, click, click below, and now you're presenting to your audience with a really cool setup of the scenes in the background. Now let me jump over to the Video Ask one. Up top, you have different tabs. These are what's called projects in mmhmm. So I have my rent own, I'm doing presentations for clients. I may be also working on some videos for some updated Video Ask flows that I'm building. So one of the things I want to show you is the editing capabilities. So if I go in and I just start talking, I film, it has a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and now I'm starting to record my video. I may say something like this. Well, with our rent own programs, I need to know your timing. So our programs typically take 30 to 45 days. So what is it? So that may be, as I time out here, a little clip for Video Ask that I'm going to put in a flow. When I stop recording, on the right-hand side here, you have what's called takes. So if I do another recording, we'll do a 3, 2, 1. I could try it again. So let me ask, how many bedrooms do you need for your new house? Right? As I do my recordings, it's doing takes inside of mmhmm. Now, before I go to the next scene, I may want to come over here and manage the takes. So over in here in the editor, you'll see take 1 and take 2. And I can now play it and see what it sounds like. I can try it again. So what I like to do is they have some basic editing tips. So I may want to come over here and trim a little bit of my voice until I start to talk, and then I'll hit trim. So they do have some basic editing capabilities. This is not a platform for major video production. I use the InVideo platform to do full featured videos, as I mentioned on the channel, and I'll have more videos on that here on the channel. If you want to have fade in and out, you could say a fade out here. So when it goes from scene to scene, it'll go dark and come back in. Some very basic editing. And then you come over here and you could do playback, see what it sounds like, and then hit publish. Now, when you do publish, you want to save it as a video here. So if this is a Video Ask presentation, where I'm doing these short clips for a video ask flow. What I'd like to do is talk about, I'll do VA, and then I'll just call it beds, because maybe I'm asking for how many beds they want. Now, when you export these, you want to hit exclude bumper and hit save. And then up top, it's going to publish this. And now if I go to my desktop, it just made a little video with how many beds do I want? So let me ask, how many bedrooms do you need for your new house? So it's creating those video ask flows. Now, here's a trick I use, because if I'm happy with those and I export it to MP4, I don't create another video ask project just for every stage of the video ask flow. I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to hit edit, and then I'm going to hit record on the very next question. So are you looking for a garage, right? I'll record that. I'll play it back. Did that sound good? I'll come to my takes. I'll manage takes. I'll trim that take, and then I go and hit publish. So that way I'm just doing question after question in video ask format. So that way I have all these exported out as little MP4 files. I hope you like this video. This is a short video on editing, but this is how I create all my video ask little clips, as well as recording videos on this YouTube channel using this powerful platform called mmhmm. Enjoy.